In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view your X account password and, more importantly, the safe and realistic way to check whether it was saved anywhere you can access. Now, the first thing you need to know is that you cannot view your current X password directly inside X itself. X does not show you your password for security reasons, so if you've forgotten it, the only way to find it is if your browser or password manager saved it earlier. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Alright, let's get into it. We're going to use a desktop browser example, and the easiest place to check is Chrome. First, open Chrome on your computer. In the top right corner, click the three dots menu, then go down to Settings. Once the Settings page opens, look for Passwords and Autofill. Click that, and then open Google Password Manager. Now you're in the place where Chrome stores saved logins. In the search bar, type x.com. If that doesn't show anything, try twitter.com because some accounts may have been saved under the older Twitter domain. If your password was saved in the browser, you should see an entry for X or Twitter appear in the results. Click the saved entry to open the details. At this point, Chrome will usually ask you to confirm it's really you by entering your computer password, PN, or using your fingerprint, depending on your device. This is a normal security step, so go ahead and complete that verification. Once you're verified, you'll see the password field. Click the eye icon to reveal the saved password. That is the password your browser stored for X. You can now copy it or use it to sign in again if needed. If you don't see any saved entry at all, that means Chrome probably never saved it, or you used a different browser or password manager. If that happens, check any other browsers you use, like Microsoft Edge, Firefox, or Safari. You can also check your phone's password manager if you usually signed into X on mobile. On iPhone, look in iCloud Keychain, and on Android, check Google Password Manager or your device's saved password section. One important tip: if you're viewing a saved password on a shared or public device, be extra careful. Make sure no one is watching and log out when you're finished. If you want to stay secure, it's also a good idea to update your X password afterward if you suspect anyone else might have access. So just to recap, you cannot see your X password inside X, but you may be able to reveal it from your browser's saved passwords if it was stored there. The key steps are opening your browser settings, going to Password Manager, searching for x.com or twitter.com, and revealing the saved entry with your device password. If this tutorial helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.